Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at one of the most popular trading strategies out there that you guys suggested me to try, and then we will do the backtest of the strategy 100 times on the TradingView platform to see how it truly performs. So many of you have recommended that this strategy works best on a shorter time frame, so I chose to backtest it on the NZD/USD currency pair, and we will be using 30-minute time frame. And as a cherry on top, I will set up an account with initial $1,000, and we will be only using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio to test this strategy out. So without further ado, let's begin this video. So the indicator we will be working with is called Supertrend 1.0 buy or sell signals, and you can easily find it on the TradingView platform. I have never heard of this indicator, nor have used it in my trading journey, so if by any chance you have been using it for a while, feel free to share your opinion in the comment section down below and how it's working out for you. We are not going to make any changes to the settings since after all the indicator is designed to be used exactly as it was intended. So here's how it looks on the chart. We can only see a green and red arrow indicating whether or not to buy or sell the NZD/USD currency pair. I will also add an exponential moving average of period 200. This will help to prevent false signals as per strategy rules. So the rules to enter are super simple. For a buy trade opportunity, we would want the exponential moving average to trade below the candlesticks. For the entry, we are going to use the Supertrend buy indication, and once we have these two conditions met, I will go ahead and place a trade, setting the stop loss below the Supertrend green line and taking profit at 1.5 times the risk. And the opposite rules will be applied for short trades. We will be only looking to sell if the price is trending below the exponential moving average, and the Supertrend indicator will issue a signal to sell. We will place a stop loss above the Supertrend red line and take profit at 1.5 times the risk. So I'm super excited to see the overall results, so let's start to do some backtesting. So I have finally done my backtesting, and as you can see from the results, they are quite promising. 100 trades under my belt, I have 49% overall winning percentage. As you can see, things were going pretty well in the beginning. We were seeing some increase in the balance, but the decline in the count began to become significant after the 15th trade and continued until the 30th one. However, at some point, the Supertrend and combination of 200 EMA began to produce decent signals, and that's why we can see this grow. So if you look at the consistency of this strategy, it has had 7 wins in a row, but it also had 7 losses in a row in some instances. So in my overall opinion, I would say that the indicator is pretty accurate and it works well when the market is trending, and you can also trail your stop loss in order to maximize your gain. So while a 49% win rate is excellent, we could absolutely develop a more robust and profitable strategy around this indicator to increase its effectiveness. So let's actually try to develop a strategy and see if we can increase these results. Instead of using the exponential moving average, we will add moving average of period 20 and 50. And a moving average over a longer period of time has an advantage of collecting more data and smoothing the price, resulting in fewer false signals and more profitable entry opportunities in overall market direction. By the way, guys, if you're interested in being a member of the Forex trading community, why don't you take a look at our trading mode? I and a group of extremely skilled traders have dominated the market recently, and here are some of our latest trading performances. But apart from that, you will be able to take part in our friendly community chat, enjoy live streams, receive daily trade notifications, and have good time with me and other members of the community. So I will leave the link in the description box down below, and I hope to see you there. So let's go back to the chart with our updated strategy. Since we now have moving averages of 20 and 50 on our chart, I will slightly adjust the entry rules. I will only enter a short trade if both moving averages are above the candlesticks and the Supertrend indicates that we should sell. And we will look for a buy if both moving averages are trending lower than the candlesticks and Supertrend alerts us with buying signal. So let's start some backtesting and let's see what results we can come up with. I have completed my backtesting on the NZD USD currency pair and the results have been truly outstanding. Our win rate went from 49 to 61 out of 100 trades with 8 consecutive wins and only 6 consecutive losses. So let's quickly compare the two graphs and see how the new strategy was able to grow the account for $1,000. On the left side is the original strategy using Supertrend and 200 EMA. Starting balance is $1,000 and the closing balance is only $1,045 in total. However, if you take a look on the right side, once I added moving average 20 and 50 with a starting balance of 1,000, we managed to close the account with $2,759 in total profit. Therefore, the results are speaking for themselves. I actually recommend you to backtest the Supertrend Indicator on a variety of the markets and different currency pairs and see if you can develop even a better strategy around it. Or feel free to use my updated version and let me know how it went out for you. And if you haven't seen my previous video on how you can improve your scalping with these candlestick patterns, make sure to click over here to find it out.